Health benefits of cold showers. Hi everyone, this is Keel Vlogs. Today we are sharing health benefits of cold showers. Cold showers are any showers with a water temperature below 70 degrees Fahrenheit. They may have health benefits. Water therapy, also called hydrotherapy, has been used for centuries to take advantage of our body's tendency to adapt to harsher conditions. As a result, our bodies become more resistant to stress. 1. Increases endorphins. For people with depression, cold showers can work as a kind of gentle electroshock therapy. The cold water sends many electrical impulses to your brain. They jolt your system to increase alertness, clarity, and energy levels. Endorphins, which are sometimes called happiness hormones, are also released. This effect leads to feelings of well-being and optimism. 2. Helps improve metabolism. When taken regularly, cold showers can make our circulatory system more efficient. Some people also report that their skin looks better as a result of cold showers, probably because of better circulation. 3. Helps fight off common illnesses. Cold showers could make the body more resistant to certain types of cancer. It showed that people who took cold showers called out of work less. Limits and risks of cold showers. Cold showers are not a magical cure-all for any condition. They should be used as a supplement to traditional treatments, but not as a replacement. People with long-term clinical depression or a diagnosis of bipolar or borderline personality condition should not use cold showers as a replacement for what their doctor has prescribed under any circumstances. If you're feeling sick, have recently been released from the hospital, or are otherwise immune-compromised, wait to try out cold showers. That's all for today. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Keel Vlogs here and thank you for watching.